Welcome everyone! This video is about my favorite whole food plant-based alternative to milk made of cashews. The best thing is that it's super easy to make as no straining required. Because of that, you preserve all the nutrients stored in nuts like potassium, magnesium, iron, phosphorus, and zinc. You do not need much to make it. Main ingredients are half a cup of raw unsalted cashew nuts and 2 cups of water. Optional ingredients are 2 dates for sweetness. I'm using here mature dates that are fairly large in size, and half a centimeter of vanilla bean for heavenly flavor. For the best results, you need to soak cashews and pitted dates overnight to make them soft. Place them in a container and add enough of water to cover them. Keep them in the fridge for 8 to 12 hours, but not more than 14. Soaking also helps to reduce phytic acid, enzyme inhibitor, making all the nutrients more bioavailable. I kept mine for 12 hours. Drain and rinse them well. To make the milk, you will need a blender. Transfer nuts with dates, add half a centimeter of vanilla bean and 1 cup of water to start for finer mixing. Blend for 2 minutes. Then add the second cup of water and blend for another 2 minutes. And you're done! You can store cashew milk in a glass bottle in the fridge for about 4 days. Shake it well before use. With summer approaching, I want to share with you my go-to drink. Add some cubes of frozen coffee and then our homemade cashew milk. Cooling, delicious, nutritious. You just have to give it a try. Let me know if you liked it. Thank you for watching and goodbye.